Welcome to KXIND, one of the manufacturers in the fiber optic communication industry in China. Established in Hong Kong in 2013, we are a technology-based enterprise specializing in the production of various fiber optic cable, fiber optic patch cord, fiber optic splitter, optic distribution blocks, and GPON. One of the key factors for KXIND's success is that it has many years of experience in ODM services. We can provide fiber optic communication solutions for customers with special needs for product customization, and have more than 200 successful cases. We focus on the development and the production of fiber optic communication products. KXIND has a production workshop of 20,000 square meters based on the ISO 9001. We have 35 fiber optic cable production lines, 15 fiber optic patch cord production lines, 15 PLC production lines, hardware workshops, accommodation workshops, and assembly workshops. We are committed to providing customers with a one-stop solution for fiber optic communication products. KXIND has established a professional and independent quality control department from design to shipment. Each product undergoes a series of reliability tests and verification such as insertion loss and return loss testing, high null temperature again testing, and tensile testing to ensure product quality. I hope you believe that our technology and manufacturing capabilities can meet your needs for fiber optic communication equipment. No matter your project requires small batch customization or mass production, we offer you services with our professional knowledge and advanced equipment. Thank you for visiting KXIND. I hope to establish a long-term cooperative relationship with you.